talk about menopause. So, what happens during menopause? So, normally, in a regularly menstruating woman, when the follicles in the ovary decline in number and stop functioning completely, that's when we call it as menopause. And the diagnosis of this is mainly clinical. That's when a woman stops to have menses for a 12-month period. We label her as menopause. And the average age for menopause in Indian women is around 50 to 52. And sometimes women can appreciate menopause a little earlier. Say it can happen in the age group of less than 40 years, where we call it as premature menopause, or between 40 to 45 years. These women usually have irregular menses, and in them we diagnose menopausal changes by doing hormonal assays, that is serum FSH levels. Two samples 4 weeks apart, taken 4 weeks apart, when the values are elevated more than 30, we label them as menopause. So why is menopause important? So this is a very crucial period of life which happens because a woman has passed one half of her life, but the remaining one half of her life is still with her post-menopause. So it's very important that a woman is in good health during this period of time. So what are the changes that a woman appreciates during menopause? So mainly, majority of the women, that is nearly 80%, will have something what we call as vasomotor symptoms. So she will have hot flushes, night sweats, then they can have mood swings, irritability, lack of sleep at night. Then they could have, as I mentioned, irregular menses. They could also have genitourinary symptoms, like they can have burning while passing urine, or they can have difficulty during intercourse because of dryness, or they can have dyspareunia, and that also can trigger psychological imbalances or mood swings or depression. In further later periods, because of the decrease in the bone density, they can have a lot of muscle aches, joint pains, and easy fractures. So these are all the common symptoms that a woman appreciates during menopause. So how do we tackle this? So most and foremost important is a woman should be aware of what measures she can take and what is menopause. When she has the awareness, she'll be able to cope it up in a better way. So we advise women during this period to drink plenty of fluids and avoid caffeine intake or intake of spicy food, and go out in the open and do some exercise and practice meditation or yoga, which can calm her mind and give her good quality of sleep. And these are all the general measures which we advise. And some women, if the symptoms are severe, they also might need, if they are severely depressed or not getting good sleep in the night, might need psychiatric medications. We put them on antidepressants. Some women who have severe genitourinary symptoms, like severe burning in the vagina, not able to have difficulty in intercourse, we also prescribe them vaginal estrogen creams. And some patients have systemic symptoms like bone loss, severe bone loss. So we recommend HRT in them, that is hormone replacement therapies. And in severe osteoporosis, they might have to consult orthopedicians and consider other tablets like bisphosphonates, etc. There are other measures, like there are other drugs like acupuncture, acupressure, clonidine. So these are the non-hormonal medications which can be used in these women. But most importantly, one has to remember that menopause is not the pause. It is a new beginning, and every woman has to make herself fit to get herself used to this period of life, because one half of her life is still remaining after the period of menopause. Thank you.